Okay, family, I just had to show y'all that we are at Lowe's and they have Barbados cherries. And they are 13.98. I'm thinking about getting one. Lowe's done stepped their game up, y'all. What is this Galaxy red pepper? They look beautiful. But they get some of that fruit off of there, it'll grow bigger and put it in a bigger pot. Thank God I don't have to buy starters anymore. They got so many. Look at that mouse. They got so many blueberry plants inside. Pink lemon blueberry. I wish it had one on there so I can taste it. Pink lemon. I did say I wanted a different variety of blueberry if I get a blueberry. $44.98 for that blueberry. Jesus Christ. But it's beautiful. As y'all can see, we still getting a lot of rain. They got the grapes, and the grapes are $20.98. They doing good. All the grapes. There's another kind of grape. Oh, that's the same kind. Got raspberries and blackberries. They want $12.98 for the blackberries. I don't need no more blackberries. But look at it. Raspberries. I could use a couple of more raspberries to fill in my section. But yep. They stepping their game up this year. Let's talk about it, baby. Now I'm finna see if baby let me get one of those Barbados cherries. He over here looking at stars. It smells so good over here. Oh, they got plenty. We been sleeping on Lowe's, y'all. I don't know why I'm over here at the starters, cause your girl been doing pretty good as far as starting from seed. So I don't need to spend no money on no starters. Let me see what this peppermint. Oh, it smells so good. Peppermint, spearmint, lemon balm. They smell so good. Got all the peppers. Everything looks good. Look better than Tractor Supply. Stevia. I got that peppermint on my hand, so I can't even smell it. I got sweet potato slips. I haven't even started no sweet potato slip shit, y'all. I'm acting like I just got plenty of time. You know how that go. Look at the little tomato. They all got little tomatoes on it somewhere. But yep, I just wanted to show y'all Lowe's. We at Lowe's. They got some figs. Beer's Black Fig. I don't really like figs. Let me see if I can ask for one of these Barbados cherries. Mate. Yeah, that's what I said. I said there's too many peppers on this small plant. But they beautiful. Nice peppers. Repotted and get those peppers off of there. It might grow bigger. But I want one of these Barbados cherries. I've been looking for it for a while. Don't you want to say yes to mommy? No? I don't like cherries, but they say the Barbados cherries taste better than
I didn't know this Barbados. What is it? They didn't say this.
tastes better than the regular cherries. It say right here. Barbados cherry. So can we have one? $13 ain't too bad. I'm trying to see which one is the biggest one, yeah. You see, they leaves look like my leaves at home. What I was telling y'all in the garden video, we've been having 2 weeks of rain. Then it stopped for 3 days, and then we back at it. So, it is what it is. Trying to find the best one. I don't know, I might just pick this one. I get this one. He ain't even tell me I can have it yet, y'all. But I know he ain't gonna turn it down. Yep, everything's so overwatered. Okay, y'all, let me see which one I'm gonna get. So, hold tight. Alright, y'all. I think I found the winner. As soon as I think I find a winner, I find something wrong with it. Is that a sign not to get one? Nope, sure isn't. Just let me keep looking. Y'all see, mommy has one. But look at they little citrus, y'all. They citrus look a lot better than the they patio citrus look a lot better than the ones at Tractor Supply. But look how much they are. And I think Tractor Supplies was 26 or 29. But they don't have anything I want. I was looking at that lime quat, but I'm trying to work on my impulse buying. Psych. Alright, y'all, so I guess that's gonna be, no, that's not gonna be it. Let me walk down here on this side. Look at that Barbados cherry. For the 13 bucks. I am gonna start me some roses. I wanted to do that this year, but I don't think I'm gonna start this year. But I do want me some nice rose bushes. Yeah, when I went in, all those blueberry plants right here, I was just eating all the blueberries off of them. Look, there go one right there. Let me see if I can show y'all. Try to zoom in. Y'all see all those blueberries on there? I was eating as many ripe ones as I could find. I meant to record for y'all, but your girl here got happy. But, yep, this the end. Oh, let me go back this way. That's the end of the Home Depot garden inventory. Y'all know I don't be worried about all these different kind of flowering plants and trees. Your girl be trying to get some food growing, which eventually all this kind of stuff gonna be pushed to the side anyway, because in a minute everybody gonna have to start growing their own food. But anyway, that's the end of the Lowe's haul.